Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful dream catcher. So let's get started. To make this dream catcher, you need a metallic ring, and this is 9 inches in diameter, and a black string which is like 1 mm in thickness, and we will just wrap around this ring. So I'm going to use this old net doily I have, and this is a very old piece which was used as a table mat. So now I'm going to use it in a dream catcher, centralized this pattern. So after centralizing this doily in this metallic ring which we just wrapped by 1 mm macrame cord, I will use this needle and a black thread and will sew this doily with this metal ring like the way I'm showing. Pass this needle through the bead and then pass it through the cord like this. You need to attach this doily throughout the loop. Now again pass this thread from the bead to make it more secure. Now we will add some macrame in this dream catcher. So let's get started with this. I just added 40 inches of macrame cord folded in half by Luxor knot. These are 2 cords here. Now I will add 4 more cords. Now I'm attaching 4 cords, 1, 2, 3 and this 4 by Luxor knot. These are 14 inches cord and 14 and a half. So I made few spiral knots here, and when you reach to this level, like this square knot and here, take these 2 cords and these 2 cords and make a square knot again. Like this. And then make spiral knots here and attach it by using these 2 cords by making square knot. So here we will attach now finally make a square knot here. Now we will make a square knot here by using this cord, 2 cords and these 2 cords. We will make a square knot behind this like we did here. And here you go. This square knot should be behind this spiral knot. So here you can see I just made this pattern here, and we will make this pattern here by using 100 inches of cords folded in half, and we will make a diamond shape, and in between this diamond shape I made this barrier. So that's how you're gonna make these diamonds with berry knot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then we will connect them here. So now you can see these cords are very short. We will weave them back like this, These two short cords will be weaved back like this, and we will just use these 4 cords. Like this, and then bring it here in the center. Over, under, then over, and then under, and then over. And now I will just adjust them, bring them closer by pulling the lower cords. So we made this Josephine knot right beneath the last square knot, and now we will just gather everything like this. Now take a wool and a cardboard or anything. You need to make a tassel to display on the dream catcher. And finally we are adding a bird here. We paste it by the help of glue gun, and we are also adding few stamens. We just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful dream catcher. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.